How to blur a face in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur a face using CapCut. Whether you want to hide someone's face for privacy or create a cool effect, this step-by-step guide will make it easy. So without further ado, let's get started by opening the CapCut app on your phone. Once inside the app, simply tap on New Project. And from there, simply select the video where you want to blur a face and tap on Add. And once you have added the video on the timeline, simply tap on the overlay option at the bottom of the screen. And now simply select the same video that you have selected earlier. And once you have added that video, simply tap on the overlaid video and go to Effects. Now select Video Effects and then simply search for Blur Effect and tap on that. And after tapping on that, blur effect will cover the entire video length. And now tap on the video clip again and scroll right to find the mask option. Now simply tap on mask option and select circle or rectangle mask and position it over the face. And after that, adjust the size and feather the edges for a smooth effect. And after that, simply tap on the invert button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, the face will be blurred. And once everything looks good to you, you can simply tap on export and save your video in high quality. And that's it. That's how you can blur the face in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.